Outcome Health's philosophy on benefits is truly built on care. Our benefits should take care of you and people who matter to you while you transform healthcare.
I never thought I would really need something like this. Who really plans for healthcare? You know, I'm a young 20-year-old, or mid-20s. And, you know, I'm young, I'm healthy, don't really have any major conditions happening. But lo and behold, I started having tons of acid reflux. I had no idea what was going on. Decided to see a gastroenterologist. We realized I have a hiatal hernia and I actually need esophagus surgery. So immediately in my head, I'm just thinking dollar signs, this is gonna cost me so much. Oh wait, I have my FSA. I planned ahead for this. I really love this new program we've started.
Telehealth Care At program is very helpful for me in a couple of ways. I had a trip to make to the New York office, and I noticed I was down to my last medication refill. I only had like one pill left, and I take one after every meal. So I knew I needed to get a refill fast, and so I called the number. And so before I went to the airport, I just stopped by the pharmacy and picked it up, and it was ready to go.
I'm currently just over halfway through pursuing my MBA part-time, so I take night classes throughout the week. And Outcome Health has just been really supportive, both financially, but also just emotionally. It can be really hectic and insane to try to go to school part-time while you're working full-time at a growth stage company like this, because there's always so much to do. But I've just felt nothing but support from the entire team as I've gone and pursued this degree.
The fertility aspect, that really was a factor when looking at the benefits. I've never seen a company that offers that, and we don't want to have to use it, but just knowing it's there provides so much comfort to us and makes us excited to expand our family someday.
So the Recharge is a 4-week sabbatical that employees that have been here for at least 5 years can take. And the idea is that you do truly disconnect from work, much like paternity or maternity leave, only without the stress of having a child.
With the extra 5 days of marriage leave that you get when you get married at this company, we're able to plan our honeymoon, and we'll still be able to spend a ton of time with our friends and family.
I have 3 children, and to be very transparent and blunt, I want to be able to provide for them in the event I'm not around. This is not something that people like to talk about. It's not something that they like to think about. But I think that having this as a benefit, making it easy for the employees at Outcome Health to purchase extra insurance, get the benefit to be able to take care of our family in the event we're not here, is monumentally important.
We care for you not just at work, but we care for you holistically. At work, at home. It's all about, do these perks and do these benefits truly change your life? You're joining a company that is truly transforming healthcare on the business side and developing and evolving a culture where it is just an absolute delight to show up to work.
One of the questions I asked when we started was the question about paternity leave. Just being there. During those first couple of weeks, you know, when she was born, like with all babies, she couldn't even focus on anything. But over the course of that first week, like, she started to learn how to use her eyes, and she would focus. And, you know, it wasn't until a week after she was born that I could tell she could see me, and she'd hear my voice, and she'd turn her head, and you'd be like, "Hey, is that my daddy?" I was like, "Yes, yeah, you know it's me."
All these aspects, we've gone to creating a big pillar or a very foundational pillar that they know that when they apply to Outcome Health and when they join us here, they are joining a company that truly cares for them. We are committed to building an organization and a culture on the foundation of care.